Welcome to Penguin, where we'd like to show you the F10 range of electric cookers and hobs. F10 appliances have for decades been the natural choice for offshore sailors who really appreciate their food. They're built to last using the best available marine-friendly components. First, here's the electric oven with hob. This has the same overall dimensions as the Euro standard gas cooker and is built to the same high standards with marine-grade stainless steel inside and out. You can supply these in 110 volt or 240 volts. First, let's see the power consumption so you can be sure that your onboard power supply is up to the task. The three ceramic burners here draw up to 1200 watts each, so that's 3600 watts. The oven and the grill or the broiler draw up to 1300 watts, but they can't be used at once, so we're looking at a theoretical maximum of 4900 watts with everything on full power. You'll need a 20 amp circuit breaker for the 240 volt version. So on to the features. The oven handle and door are unique to F10. The oven can only be opened by pressing this button and raising the handle like this. There's no chance that someone will accidentally grab the handle and pull the door open when you're in a seaway. The oven door swings under the oven like this, which is really handy when you're using the gimbals. It keeps the oven in balance, so when the doors open, the oven stays upright and it won't swing forward and deliver your freshly cooked lasagna onto the cabin floor. When the door is tucked away, it will also save some space in the galley when the crew is squeezing by. The oven burner is at the base here, and the grill burner in the top comes as standard. Both have a wide coverage for nice even cooking. When you're using the grill, the door locks partway open, like this. The oven and grill both have a thermostatic control. The hob has three vitro ceramic burners. The pan rail and these three pan clamps all come as standard. To wipe it down, the rail hinges up, and when it's time to take it away to the dishwasher or to give it a good scrub, you just need to lift these tabs here, and the whole top lifts away. F10 build three electric hobs with a choice of 1, 2 or 3 burners. Each of the burners has a 1200 watt output. The hobs are vitro ceramic and the heat is transferred from a coil below the surface. Like all F10 equipment, it's designed for marine use. It's tough and it's easy to clean. We can supply a F10 pan rail that mounts directly onto your worktop, together with a set of pan holders to keep everything secure. All F10 equipment comes with a 2-year warranty, and our small and friendly team here at Penguin is ready to help you with spares and advice.